Hey guys, Daddy Mike here. Today I have a sound machine. If you're like me, you can't sleep without some sort of sound like a white noise or a fan or something. So this is made by the GDbow company, GDbow. It's a white noise sound machine with remote, and it also has aromatherapy. So let's open the box and take a look at it. Okay, here we have the user manual. We have the power cable. This, I believe, is part of the aromatherapy. Here is the remote control. And here is the beautiful, stylish sound machine with aromatherapy. It has 20 different sounds, 8 different colors of light. With the sounds, there are 5 different white noises. There are ocean waves, summer night, wind, rainfall, a babbling brook, train sounds, a bonfire sounds, baby sleep, and deep sleep melodies are included. With the color modes, you can have a steady color, you can have a breathing effect, cycling sequence. There's also a Bluetooth connection. So let's hook this up and try it out. So guys, this is the GDbow sound machine with aromatherapy. I'm really enjoying all the sounds and the colors. Let's check out all the colors. We have blue, we have pink, we have red. This is the breathing effect. This is the cycling sequence. Then we have the flowing transition effect. We have 8 different colors. We have 20 different sounds. It also has a volume control. If you press and hold the minus, volume will go down. Press and hold the plus, volume goes up. To change from one sound to the other, do a quick press. Fire, I believe. And water dripping. And we have a heartbeat for babies. Okay. And guys, it comes with this aromatherapy pod. You can put some like natural oils, aroma oil like cinnamon or vanilla, whatever you like. Just pull this little tray out here. Put your pod in and then put it back. And it will release those great aromas. And another great thing about this is you can connect your phone to it by Bluetooth, and you can play music from your phone. It has a great speaker built in that sounds amazing. So guys, I highly recommend the GDbow white noise sound machine with aromatherapy. So please check it out.